Good morning, students. Welcome back to our bridge course class. Today, we are going to see some questions from civics. Do you remember what we studied in last year about political party system? What are the three basic components of political party? Yes, the leader, the active members, and the followers. Can you remember the functions of political parties? Yes, formation of public opinion, formation of public policies, formation of government to contest election, making laws, role of opposition. Isn't it? What are the types of party system? Yes, single party system, bi-party system, and multi-party system. In another way, we can say like this: one party system, two party system, and multi party system. What is majority party? The political party whose number of candidates elected is more than the others is called the majority party. Then minority party, those with lesser number of elected candidates are called the minority party. From the picture, you can understand the difference between majority party and minority party. What are electoral symbols? An electoral symbol is a standardized symbol allocated to a political party. Here you can see some party's symbol. Who is responsible for election? Election Commission is responsible for free and fair elections in India. Do you remember when Tamil Nadu State Assembly election took place? Yes, on April 6th. Which party won the election? Correct. Yes, DMK. What is the expansion for DMK? Dravida Munneta Kazhagam. How many cabinet ministers are there in Tamil Nadu Assembly? 34. Who is our chief minister? Thiru M.K. Stalin. Who is our water resources minister? Thiru Duraimurugan. Who is our municipal administration minister? Thiru K.N. Nehru. Who is our minister for cooperation? Thiru Periyasamy. Who is our higher education minister? Thiru K. Ponmudi. Minister for Public Works? E.V. Velu. Minister for Cooperation? M.R.K. Pannirselvam. Minister for Revenue and Disaster Management? KKSSR Ramachandran. Minister for Industries? Thiru Thangam Thennarasu. Minister for Law? Thiru S. Raghupati. Minister for Housing and Urban Development? Thiru S. Muthuswamy. And Minister for Rural Development? K.R. Periyakarpan. Minister for Rural Industries? T.M. Anbarasan. Minister for Informations of Publicity? M.P. Swaminathan. Minister for Social Welfare and Women Empowerment? Tirumadi Geeta Jeevan. Minister for Fisheries and Fishermen Welfare? Thiru Anitha Radhakrishnan. Minister for Transport? Thiru S.R. Rajakannappan. and Minister for Forest Thiru K. Ramachandran. Minister for Food and Civil Supply Thiru R. Chakrapani. Minister for Electricity Thiru V. Sendil Balaji. And who is our Handlooms and Textile Minister? Thiru R. Gandhi. Who is our Medical and Family Welfare Minister? Ma Subramanian. Who is our Commercial Taxes and Registration Minister? P. Murthy. Minister for Backward Classes Welfare Sivashankar. And Minister for Hindu Religious and Charitable Segar Babu. Minister for Finance and Human Resources Dr. Palanivel Thiagarajan. And Minister for Milk and Dairy Development Thiru S.M. Nazar. Minister for Minorities Welfare and Non-Resident Tamil Welfare K.S. Mastan. And Minister for School Education Thiru Anbil Magesh Poyyamuli. And Minister for Environment Mayyanathan. Minister for Labour Welfare and Skill Development C.V. Ganeshan. And Minister for Information Technology T. Mano Thangaraj. Minister for Tourism Madhivendan. And Minister for Adi Dravidar Welfare Kayalveli Selvaraj. And therefore Tamil Nadu state has 34 cabinet ministers. Thank you, children.